Alright, this is the elevator, the Courtyard by Marriott in Manchester, Connecticut. It's a Schindler. And we're gonna go up to 3. Door closed. Here we are at 3. There it goes. Alright, this is going down in the elevator, the Courtyard by Marriott, Manchester, Connecticut. We're gonna go down to L. Watch the numbers. And here we are at the lobby. What's the button go out? There it goes. Oh, that old button. Sorry, called cancel button. And we'll ring it. Send it up. We'll send it up and listen to the motor.